You don't sound inexperienced because you're new. You sound inexperienced when you're unclear. Most beginner wholesalers think making the offer is the hardest part. It's not. The hardest part is believing your numbers enough to say them out loud, calmly and clearly, without falling apart when the seller pushes back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a wholesale real estate offer sound professional, even if it's your first one. Welcome back to the REI Edge. This channel is about real estate education without the hype, clear fundamentals, smarter decisions, and understanding how wholesaling actually works in the real world. If you've watched our previous videos on deal analysis, motivated sellers, and wholesale deal flow, this is where it all comes together. If you're new here, welcome. This video stands on its own. Let's start with why this feels so uncomfortable. Most beginner real estate investors think making an offer feels awkward because they're afraid of being rejected. They don't want to offend the seller. They think they need the perfect script. But that's not the real issue. Offers feel awkward when you don't believe your own numbers. Think about that for a second. If you're unsure whether your numbers are right, that uncertainty shows up in your voice before you even get to the number. The seller hears hesitation. Hesitation creates doubt, and doubt kills deals. The fix isn't a better script. The fix is a clearer process. Before we talk about how to present the offer, let's talk about what makes the offer solid in the first place. A strong wholesale offer is built on three things. Number one is ARV, or after repair value. This is what will the property be worth after repairs. This is your starting point for real estate deal analysis. Number two, repair estimates. What does it actually cost to get the property in the right condition? Be honest here, guessing low is one of the most costly mistakes beginner wholesalers make. Number three is the investor margin. Your end buyer needs room to make money. If there's no margin, there's no deal, regardless of how smooth your offer sounds. When those three numbers are clear, your offer isn't a guess, it's a conclusion. And conclusions are easy to present calmly. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything about how to make wholesale offers. You're not convincing the seller, you're presenting a solution. I'll repeat that. You're not convincing the seller, you're presenting a solution. When your offer is based on clear numbers and it fits the seller's situation, there's nothing to sell. You're simply showing the seller what the math supports and you're letting them decide. A professional wholesale offer sounds calm because it's based on real numbers. It fits what the seller actually needs and it respects their right to say no. You don't need pressure. You don't need a script. You need clarity. Here's what separates experienced real estate wholesalers from beginners. It's not confidence, it's structure. Experienced wholesalers follow a simple framework. Step one, they recap the seller's situation. Show them you were listening. Briefly reflect back what they've told you about the property, their timelines, and their goals. Step two, explain how the offer was calculated. You don't need to share every number, but a brief, honest explanation builds credibility. Something like, based on the repairs we discussed and what similar properties had sold for nearby. Step three, present the number without over talking. Say the number, then stop talking. This is where most beginner wholesalers panic and start filling in silence with justifications that just create doubt. Step four, pause and let the seller respond. Silence is not your enemy, it's part of the process. That's it. No hype, no pressure, no rushing. Clarity does the heavy lifting. Let's talk about what specific habits give beginner wholesalers away instantly, because awareness is the first step into fixing them. Talking too fast. Speed singles nerves, so slow down. Over-explaining every detail. The more you explain, the less confident you sound. Make your point and stop. Apologizing for the offer. Never. Your offer is based on math, not emotion. Apologizing frames it as something to be ashamed of. Negotiating against yourself. Dropping your number before the seller even responds is one of the most common and costly mistakes of real estate wholesaling. Filling silence. When you present the offer, stop talking. Let the seller respond. Whoever speaks first after the number is usually who loses ground. If you sound unsure, the seller feels unsure. Confidence doesn't come from experience alone. It comes from understanding your process well enough to trust it. Pushback is normal. Every experienced real estate investor knows this. The seller saying that's lower than what I expected doesn't mean the deal is dead. It means the conversation is continuing. And here's how to handle it. Don't argue. Don't defend. Get curious. Respond calmly. What were you hoping to be closer to? That one question does three things. Number one, it keeps the conversation open. Number two, it gives you information you can work with. And number three, it shows the sellers you respect their perspective. From there, you have options. Maybe there's a middle ground. Maybe the seller's numbers doesn't work and you walk away cleanly. Either outcome is fine, but you can't get there if you panic at the first sign of resistance. Professional wholesalers stay curious and not defensive. The goal isn't to win, it's to understand. Let's walk through two quick scenarios so it feels real and not theoretical. Scenario one, the seller accepts. You present your number calmly, the seller pauses, and then says, "Oh, that number works for us." What do? You confirm the next steps immediately. Don't celebrate, don't second guess, move on to the contract conversation. Scenario two, the seller pushes back. You present your number, the seller says, "I was thinking more like fill in the blank with a higher number." You respond, "I hear you. Help me understand. Is that based on what you've seen nearby? Or is there something about the property that I've missed?" Now you're problem solving together instead of negotiating against each other. This is how professional real estate wholesalers negotiate in the real world. At the REI Edge, we teach wholesale offers as a conversation, not a confrontation. We focus on clear numbers before the conversation starts. Calm, structured delivery. Respectful communication that honors the seller's situation. Because sounding professional is not about sounding confident, it's about sounding clear. Clarity tells the seller you know what you're doing. Clarity tells them the process is real. And clarity gives them the confidence to say yes, or the respect to say no without feeling manipulated. That's how wholesaling should work. If you want to make wholesale offers without sounding inexperienced or feeling awkward, subscribe to the REI Edge. In the next video, we're going to break down why most wholesale deals fall apart after they're under contract and how to prevent it before it costs you deals. Because in real estate wholesaling, confidence isn't loud, confidence is clear, and clarity is the edge.